Hello, my lovely students. Hope all of you are doing so well. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to find the highest common factor and the least common multiple. As we did today in class, we have to do the prime factorization. So here, for example, in this question, they're asking you to find the highest common factor, which is what we refer to as the HCF. Of 345 and 250. We need to do the factor tree of both numbers. So the factor tree of 345, the factor tree of 250. So let's do this together. 345. Oh, mister, come on. How on earth could I know what times what is 345? Well, we all should know that it's divisible by 5 because it ends with a 5. If it ends with a 5 or a 0, then it's divisible by 5. So here you go. It's 5 and something. Okay, mister. All right, 5 is there. But 5 times what? Okay, that might be a little bit challenging. No, not challenging at all. It's just 345 divided by 5 is going to show you 5 times what is 345. You're going to find there that it is 5 multiplied by 69, 5 times 69. And then the 69, oh, it's divisible by 3. Yes, short of division, it's just 23 multiplied by 3 is going to give you 69. That's it about the prime factorization of 345. Of course, the 3 here is prime number. That's why I'm going right now to circle it. The 5 is also a prime number. I'm going to circle it. The 23 is a prime number. I'm going to circle it. Next part over here is the 215. Guys, 23 is a prime number. There is nothing that you can multiply by another number that gives you 200, that gives you 23. So that's why I circled it. 250, yeah, it is very easy. 25 times 10. And the 10 is actually 5 times 2. And the 25 is 5 times 5. And that's it. The 5 is a prime number. The 2 is a prime number. The 5 is a prime number. The 5 is a prime number. That's how we did the prime factorization of both numbers of 345, 250. Let's list them down there as a product of prime numbers. So here you go. This is 3 times 5 times 23. Put them in order. 3 times 5 times 23. And the other one below it. 2 times 5 times 5 times 5. Let's see now what's common. We did this all in class, guys. This video is just a reminder. That's why I'm going fast. All right, the 3, is it common? No, mister, it's not common here. So I'm not going to take it. 5, is it common? Yes, mister, it is common. I have 5 here, so bye, and write it only once. Do we have another thing that is common? No, mister, we don't have another thing that is common. What if we had, So for now, the highest common factor is just 5. This is the highest common factor, the HCF. But mister, if I had, let's say, times 2 here. Oh, okay, so it's common. Bye, and write it only once. So the highest common factor would be 10. That's if we had a 2 there, but we don't have a 2. So it's just only 5, the highest common factor. Let's move to the next part, which is the lowest common multiple. It's exactly the same like the highest common factor, except one very small difference that we're going to do at the end. I'm going to prime factorize 55 and prime factorize 130. That's the lowest common multiple. As you see here, guys. All right, 55 is 5 times 11. And it's a prime number, so I'm going to circle the 11, and I'm going to circle the 5. 130, it's 13 times 10. The 13 is a prime number, so I'm going to circle it. The 10 is 5 times 2. I'm going to circle both of them because both of them are prime numbers. Now I'm going to write them down here. This is 5 times 11. The other one is 2 times 5 times 13. Then right there, what's common? Let's do it. 5, is it common? Yes. So by, and write it only once. Anything else is common? No, mister. If we were trying to find the highest common factor, we would stop here. But this is the least common multiple, so what you didn't cross also must be written down here. So it's 5 times what's not crossed, write it also. 11 by times 2 by times 13 by. Now, if you multiply them all, it's going to give you the least common multiple. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 11 is 110. Now 110 times 13. Let's do it very quickly. Sorry about my terrible handwriting, guys. 0, 3, 3, and here it is. I put here a 0, then 110. You add them up. The answer is going to be 0, 3, 4, 1, and this is the lowest common multiple. Thank you so much, and have a lovely day.